Gotta feed the poor starving animals, you know. Gotta have compassion. Poor guy's probably really hungry. Here you go, bro. Yeah. Don't be scared. We can eat dinner together, so it's not so lonely. You or me. Don't be scared. That's the thing about Southeast Asia. There's a lot of stray animals, and I feel very sorry for them because they look very sad and hungry and homeless. You know, you've got to have compassion for animals. You can't be selfish. The dog ran away, but if the dog comes back, I'll give it some more food. Okay, I'm gonna order another meal, not for myself, but for this little guy. Hopefully he doesn't run away. If he hangs around for like 5 minutes, my meal will come and I'm gonna feed him. Poor guys walking up and down the riverside looking for food. He's very scared of people. You know, I don't mind spending money on him. He's not going to go spend it on drugs and stuff, you know. He just wants food to eat. So I think if people, animals are hungry, you should feed them. Yeah, he's just hanging around. Once I get my takeaway meal, my takeaway box, I'm just going to give him the whole box. I'll put it down and let him eat. Okay, I got my meal. This is my takeaway meal. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Okay. Got my takeaway meal. Now, go feed this poor dog over here. Hopefully he doesn't run away. Usually the guy charges me $1.25, but strangely he charged me today $1.50 for each meal. I bought 2 meals for $3. Not that the money matters, but I don't know why the price always changes, you know. But anyway, here's my poor hungry friend, which I'm gonna go feed now. Hopefully he doesn't run away. I'll try to give him some food. Come on. There you go. Don't be scared. That's it. Don't be scared. Am I full? Not really, but I'd rather have the dog full. Eat. Eat the food. The dog's a little bit scared of me. I think the dogs here are generally just scared of people in general. Yeah, because people don't really like dogs in Southeast Asia. They don't see them the same way that we see them in the West. Yeah, dogs and cats aren't seen as, you know, look, animals just aren't treated the same in Asia as they are in the West. Yeah. Poor guy's hungry. Maybe he's already full. There's still a whole bowl of rice. Maybe he's full and he doesn't want my food. Or maybe he just doesn't like rice. That kind of sucks. Yeah. I did buy a meal and the dog didn't eat. Hopefully other dogs come and eat it. Hopefully there's some other stray animals who will come and find this food and enjoy it. Alright. I guess that's it for now. Might have to go do some shopping. I've got to buy some t-shirts.